so this will hang down. Perfect. And then I gotta let the water out first. Uh-oh. Do this. And let the water out. I made my own flotation system with for the kayak with pool noodles. It's loaded with pool noodles front and back because I found out that it wouldn't float if it filled with water. I probably shouldn't have rubbed that, but so then, oh shit, what the hell? This paddle came out. Okay, put it back in there. Okay. You can edit this. Get the good parts. That goes like that. That holds that section in. That's loaded with pool noodles, so this thing will float. So now, let's try again. Let's see. This is how we do it. Let's see. Go this way first. Should have let all the water out, I think. Let me make sure all the water's out. Damn it. Wish I had. That happens. Where did Adam and Jen go? I guess I did get it out. Okay. This poor $50 kayak. Let me do this. This stops it from making a bunch of noise when I drive. Gotta think of everything. It's not easy, I'll tell you. Okay. It's okay. I'll do that part later. It'll flap around, but we're not going that far. What I can do is put these underneath pool noodles and it'll keep them quiet. When you're driving, they'll flap. Okay, so this, we lift it this way. This. Do it like this. Uh-oh, I gotta put my noodles up there.
You want me to hold your kayak? No, probably won't be able to hold.
No. You watch it so I don't knock you out. Watch me, I can be kind of dangerous. This is the key. Now let's see how fast I can do this. Put this like this. Perfect. Now, let's see. Go like this.
How did you make this on noodles? What is it, pipe inside? What did
Rope.
it? No,
Pipe.
this is pipe?
Yep, PVC pipe. Then take this and carry it over. It protects my car, that noodle there. I lean it down like that, so it's good on the car. Then I lift up, easy peasy. I slide it.
Oh my gosh, it's really awesome.
Then check it out. I turn it. And I go ahead and I hook this one. Actually, I hook this one underneath like that. And then then I make sure it's not going to slide forward. And then, which it's not. And then I do this one.
And you tight a little bit, yeah.
Then I kind of adjust these where I like them. See, my pool noodles are wearing out, so they're not that much, because my car is getting all these in my car too.
Yeah, I see that.
See my mounting system?
I'll see you next event.
Oh, thanks for the warning. See you, Kim. Drive careful.
You too.
Have fun tonight. Have fun tonight.
That's if I make it.
Hey, behave, okay? A little bit, anyway. Just a little bit, okay?
Well, the fun now.
You know what? We can do whatever the hell we want.
There we go. You guys have a good night.
You too.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
And then I do this. I kind of know how I put the strap through this one because the most toughest part of the kayak is back in here. So when I strap it down, yeah, that's actually pretty good. Now I got that part done. I do this. Oh yeah, Adam had to do his kayak. His kayak is kind of a project.
Oh, really?
So then, let's see. Okay, this, I think I got this. No, I got this right. So then I just do this. I'll tighten this.
Awesome.
There. Then I got my, where'd my other one
Extra
go?
protection.
I actually, I won't worry about that right now because we're not going that far.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put this other one other. I'll fix this too. See this here? I need to fix
Is
this.
this
I can tie it tighter. I can cut it and just retie it.
okay?
But for that now, that'll be okay. So you can do your video.
Good. You done?
Here's the last part I do is this.
Oh, so you're not done.
This here, you
I want everything,
put
Steve.
one across the top thing.
Across what?
Oh, shoot, these thingies. You do this one, and I do it like right through here. And I always got to make sure that when I'm in the car, it's going to be easy. So it's going to be that way. Right? Is that right? No. You're almost doing it wrong. You go that way. This is the tricky part. Getting this one right. Because that's going to be underneath. Yep. So this is going to go like this. It'll go through here. See that? And then to hold it in place, I'll just get this out of the way, close the door. Stay out there, damn it.
Oh,
See,
okay.
if you ever hear me cussing, it's an inanimate object. It's not you. I'll put it over like that. Oh, what the hell is that? Hit the window. Didn't break it. Go like that. And then we're almost done here.
Yeah.
See how quick this is? Go through here, open it up, go like this. Oh yeah, old man noises. That's what you do, you start grunting, even when you're not in pain. There, okay. Then you strap this down, this one. Let's see, come on, there you go.
Awesome.
See? And then when you do your laundry, you can hang your clothes on it.
I really want on the street. Steve, it's really awesome technique. Thank
See
you.
that? There you go.
Thank you. The handmade